Okay, question 14. The plane y equal to 0 carries a uniform current density of minus 20 k cap milliampere per meter. The magnetic field intensity at x equal to 1, y equal to 10 and z equal to minus 2 is. So at y is equal to 0 there is a plane, okay, and that plane contains a uniform current density of minus 20 k cap milliampere per meter. You have to find the magnetic field at this magnetic field intensity at this position, x equal to 1, y equal to 10 and z is equal to minus 2. Options are minus 10i, 10i, minus 20i, 20i. I are cap, milliampere per meter, milliampere per meter, milliampere per meter and milliampere per meter. So you have to find the H, magnetic field intensity at this position, and it is given that a plane is sitting at y equal to 0 and it carries a current density of minus 20 k cap milliampere per meter. Okay, so let's look at the solution. So at y equal to 0 means this is the point, y is equal to 0, and there is a plane at y is equal to 0. So you can imagine in this fashion, this is the plane, this is in xz direction, and y is 0. You can see behind the plane it is minus y axis, and in front of the plane it is plus y axis. So you can see it's a plane at y is equal to 0. Okay, you can imagine like this, this is 0 and it is in xz plane. Y is equal to 0 means the plane will be in xz dimension. Okay, and carries a uniform current density of minus 20 k cap milliampere per meter, means capital K vector will be equal to minus 20 small k cap milliampere per meter, which is this lines. Here magnitude I am considering 20 and the direction is minus k, means it is in downward direction. Mind you, in x direction our unit vector is I cap, y direction j cap, z direction k cap. Okay, so that's how you can imagine the situation, and you have to find the magnetic field intensity as x equal to 1, y is equal to 10 and z is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to 10 is lying in front of the sheet, okay, this plane, and this is the only important point we have to consider, whether we are calculating in front or in back of the plane. That's the only thing important to us. It is not important where x is, z is. So okay, so just we have to check whether we are in calculating the magnetic field intensity in front or in behind. So we are calculating in front. Okay, so H is given as magnetic field intensity is half k vector in cross product with an vector. Okay, so an vector is j. Why? Because we are calculating in front of the plane. If we would have been calculating in the back of the plane, there would have been a minus sign, because the unit normal is in minus j direction. Here the unit normal is in the j direction. You can think from the plane unit vector coming out in y direction, that is j cap. Okay, so this is normal vector in this direction, so j cap. K vector is given as minus 20 k cap milliampere per meter. So minus 20 k cap milliampere per meter half cross product with j cap. Okay, so this milliampere per meter will come out, this 2 will get cancelled with 20, so remaining will be minus 10 milliampere per meter, and the last we will be having k cap cross j cap. So this is the unit, this is the cross product between k cap and j cap, so which will be minus I cap. So the answer will be this minus minus will get plus, so answer will be 10 I cap milliampere per meter. Okay, so the answer will be B.